1, 2, 3, 4, 5 T25s. 1, 2, 3 in the middle, 1 on either side, total of 5. And this is an 8 mil. This is on the very bottom underneath. Right there. Got a whole bunch of these push clips. Real simple trim removal tool. There is 1, 2, 3, 4 of them on either side. And we have a 10 mil holding the 2 wheel liners. That's on either side. And we're back to 8 mil, 2 of these on either side. One goes right here, one goes right there. On this side now, you don't need to remove the 10 mil that's right there, but it gives more space. Here are the 2 bolts, one's right there, where my shadow is touching. The other's right here, both 8 mils. Taking off this field, 8 millimeter. We took off the center one that was underneath right here. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All the exact same. Then you've got to pull it towards you on this side because there's a latch right here that slides in right here, both sides. So I pulled here, I pulled it from underneath, bent that down, and I was able to slide it out. Putting it back in is going to be a whole different world, but we're reaching right there, 10 millimeter bolt on either side. This one's a little more congested, but you can still see it right there. And that is all the screws for the bumper. Up here, used a little trim removal tool, got in, and you can just pull it out by pulling these 2 flanges up. Do all 3 one at a time. Next, in here, either side, you've already taken the screws out, but this clip is going to be sitting like this. You got to take a minus screwdriver. You got to push it in, and then you can pull the bumper down as you're pushing it in, and it should unclip. Revisiting these, this is the tool I used. Very small. This went like this, pull up, try to get in the middle so you get both flanges. But this could work anyways. You pull up and then pull the bumper back until it's not clipped in anymore. There's 2 more bolts. One on either side. Very edge of the bumper. That's one. It's right there. The other side's on the other one. Remember the 2 bolts there and there. Put those in before putting this undershield in. I just had to take all these bolts back out. I broke a clip, the one that slides in, the other one's broken now. This is on the verge of breaking. It's very thin. But I was able to push it further back after a lot of manangling. Unclipped all these to get to it. Now, gotta put it back.